What's up guys, I'm Chirag and welcome to part 11 of tutorial series on how to deploy a Flask application on the EC2 instance. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the redirect issue, right? So sometimes when you try to navigate to some other page, right, then it redirect you to the localhost rather than the actual DNS or the web address, right? So let's try to have a look at the issue. So I have this Flask application running on this EC2 instance, that is this one, right? So I have this application, so I'm simply reloading it. So I have something welcome and click here to login, and then I have the login page, so /login, right? So now if I try to navigate to the home page, that is /home, it will redirect me to the localhost login, right, rather than the DNS/login. So this is the issue that has been faced, right? So how we can fix this? So let's go ahead and have a look at the code first. So I already have SSH into this EC2 instance, right? So I will simply show you the app.py. So I will say vim app.py. So here I have this index that returns home.html. So let's parallelly have a look. So let me copy the IP address or the DNS. So this is the index page, right, that returns home.html, and then I have /home page where I'm redirecting it to the /login page, right? But it's not able to redirect it correctly. So if I have a look /home, then it takes me to the localhost login rather than the DNS/login, right? And then I have /login page, and I think that loads successfully. So /login. So I have that, right? So how we can fix this? So all we need to do is add one line within the NGINX configuration, right? So let me close this and navigate to probably etc NGINX sites enabled, and here I'm going to edit this Flask app. So that's sudo vim Flask app, right? So this is how the configuration file looks like for me. So all I need to do is I need to add one line or the header within the location, right, saying proxy _set _header followed by host $host, right? And let's save this. And now we have to restart the NGINX server. So sudo service NGINX restart. So now let's try to load the index page first. It's working fine. Now let's try to navigate to the home page, and I think now it should be successful, right? So as you can see, now it's not redirecting me to localhost/login. Instead, it's redirecting me to the actual DNS/login, right? So that's how you can resolve this issue, right? So ideally, by default, the host header from the request is not forwarded, right? And probably it is set based on the proxy pass statement, that is this one, right? So to forward the request to the host header, we have to use this header, that is proxy set header, right? So, well, this is how you can resolve this issue. So well, that's it for this tutorial. And till that time, if you want me to do tutorial on any use case or service, then please leave them below and I will try my best to come up with a tutorial as soon as possible. And if you have any queries or comments, then again please leave them below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.